100% of my life.
Arise, I swear to you, I did do it. I did not do it at all. I did not.
Don't you even dare to lie about it. John, after me, you remorselessly went back home to do the same thing to Mama. A blind widow. How dare you? What has come over you?
How can you even believe that? That I will poison those snacks? What will be my gain?
Freedom. You want the freedom to go away.
And what? Just stop it! Stop for a moment and think. If freedom from the crisis in our family is what I desire, why would I want to kill any of you to achieve that? I mean, I can simply just go to any big city, join the girls that live roughly, and live life on the fast lane without having to soil my hands with blood. My own blood!
Without killing us, we will be a big scare on your conscience wherever you go. The thought of us will never allow you to enjoy your freedom. That's why you did it. Deny it. Deny it, Chama.
Assuming you were right, which do you think will be the biggest scare to my conscience? Abandoning both of you? Or killing my own blood brother and my mother? Which?
Listen, Chama, I don't ever want to set my eyes on you again. Whatever happens, henceforth, I don't want you getting involved in my case. If they wish to roast me alive, get away. Let them do it. Just pray. Pray that nothing happens to Mama. Pray that she survives just like my cellmate who ate my own snacks did. Just pray, Chama. Pray. What? Come and take me out of here.
But you have to believe your own sister. I
know. Take me out.
Look at me. Everything you have me.
No one can help us.
I didn't do it.
Only you. God.
I didn't do it.
To see the pain we're feeling.
I'm back.
You're welcome.
Hey, Mama.
Where is looking for you, Mama?
Thank you.
I was about saying the same thing.
Yes,
Give me
Mama.
Wait.
Mama, what is it?
Mama,
Sokoto's son was awful. But I thank God I'm back. It's finally over.
And Mama, I didn't come back the way I left.
Okay.
Mama, I'm back with my NYC certificate. It's finally over.
Papa,
Mama, I missed your food. Papa, I'm back. Wow, I missed a lot.
What show your father?
Papa, look at this.
Wow!
It's done.
This calls for celebration.
Thank you, Papa.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Papa. Thank you.
Hey! Go.
Papa, I missed everything.
Yeah.
The loving company of my family.
Yeah.
Honestly.
Oh. We share your feeling, my son. Yes. It's mutual.
Oh, Papa,
that was why I left as early as possible this morning.
Really?
To Lopanta. To get the best of my wine. Wow. Yes, for us to celebrate with.
Brother, that's not all. Papa slaughtered his biggest he-goat. Made Mama and I prepare you a huge meal. What? All that he did before he left for Lopanta.
Papa,
You did that?
Yes.
But what did you do that for?
Oh, my son. Let me tell you. Those who bemoan with somebody, those who cry bitterly with somebody when he has problems, they never forget to rejoice with him when good things happen to him.
Exactly.
Today, His Majesty will be here. Elders, my fellow elders of the Royal Cabinet, they will all come over here to party with us.
Party?
Yes.
Yes, party. Because you have made us proud.
Yes.
And your father and I pleaded with the elders of Ihube to join us in a small party to celebrate you. Thank you so much. Miss you all, Mama.
What celebration.
Yes, so Papa. Oh, Papa. I'm so glad. I'm so glad. Let's go inside.
Yes, Papa, I can carry you. What must we be here for?
Papa, your son is completed. Your son is through with his national service. You are true. That this son that is meant to be greater than his father. Papa, thank God. Thank God I made it. Hey! Papa, 1 minute, let me pay the right man here. I'm coming. Pay. Wow. My son was there. Bye. Come on.
Yes. Welcome to the People's Palace. Osmond and Arinze, I invited both of you here with your fathers for something very important to me. It is so important to me that I am today breaking a tradition I've maintained since I ascended this throne. My next birthday is 5 months away. But I've decided not to wait until then. What I need to do today must be done. Today, not in 5 months' time. Osmond.
Your Majesty.
Your father has been my Onu since I ascended this throne of my fathers in my youthful age.
Without your father,
I don't know how I could have been able to rule this vast kingdom.
thank you, Igwe.
Your Majesty, thank you. You will live long.
Arinze,
Your Majesty.
your father, Inuwa, is a trusted friend. You see this man here? I will carry his friendship down to my grave.
Your Majesty, you will live forever. You will live long, Your Majesty.
If only these fools knew what I'm doing this for. If only they know what I'm setting them up for. That's why I've decided to appreciate both of you. What you have in your hands are appointment letters to my oil servicing company on a monthly salary of 200,000 naira and cash. So kind. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Another call for celebration.
Eh? Mama,
yes.
It's official.
Give me a wonderful hand.
Yes, sir, Titi. We have a car.
Hey!
We have a car.
Uncle Ben! Uncle Ben! Uncle Ben! Uncle Ben! Uncle Ben! You take care.
You take care. You take care. Hey, Mama God is wonderful.
I have a job for you.
A job? But your majesty, what manner of job is that will make you an Igwe to blackmail us? Even Osman, the son of your own Olu, you could have just ordered him to carry out. After all, you gave him employment in your company just 2 weeks ago. He could have just told me and I would do it. This is a job that does not give space for failures or surprises. Is it something I can trust you guys to pull off for me? Yes, Your Majesty. Yes. Yes, Your Majesty. Good.
On your hands! Oh my God! What did you do to my wife? What did you do to my wife?
Shut up! You'll find out when you get inside, okay? Come on. Move! Here we are. Your tutorial venue.
Thank you. Thank you once again for paying the high fees they charge for me to come here for intensive training in preparation for my forthcoming exams. Thank you.
Come on, Chioma. What sacrifice didn't you and our parents make to see me through school? Your mates are in their 3rd year in the university now, and you had to stay back so that our parents' lean resources can see me through school first. And now that God has blessed me with a job, what sacrifice wouldn't I make for the good of all of you? In fact, if I had my way, I would have sent you to Oxford University straight, or maybe Yale. Huh?
I know you will do anything for my joy.
Of course.
For the joy of our family. I know. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I promise I will make you, Papa and Mama very proud by the time I write my exams and come out in flying colors.
I know you're very intelligent.
Thank you. So,
yes.
When we finish for the day...
Ah, Chief Oba. Excuse me. Okay. Good afternoon, Chief. I should proceed to Ihube General Hospital? I hope Osman is fine. My parents? What about my parents? Okay, okay. I'm coming right away with my younger sister. Yes. Yes. Okay.
What did he say happened to our parents?
He said he'll tell me once I get there.
What is that supposed to mean?
Don't do this. Papa's phone is off.
I saw his mama's.
God, I just...
Yes, you see, none of the neighbors who stopped me while I was driving past your compound and begged me to help take your parents to the hospital could actually tell me what really happened. See, all they could tell me was that they heard a gunshot and the sound of a car driving on a high speed from your compound. By the time they could get to your house to know what was going on, they saw your father shot dead and your mother. What? Calm down, bro. Easy. Thank God, because by the time we got here, Mom was still alive. All right. The doctor and his team took her in for some checkup.
Doctor, what about the place? What's going on?
Oh, calm down, calm down. I know how devastated you may be right now, but I tell you there's still hope for your mother.
You mean it?
Yes. Thanks to this young man who rushed her here on time. We have successfully stopped the bleeding and the nurses have taken her to the ward. So calm down.
Okay. Can we see her? Oh my goodness! Doctor, what did the devil do to my mother?
Doctor, what is this bandage over her face?
Oh, they haven't told you? Well, you really have to be strong about this, okay?
Strong about what? Huh? Was she acid attacked?
No, but whosoever that murdered your father also pierced your mother's eyes. I once again accept my sympathy for the tragedy in your family. It seems there is a good news on your mother's state. Yes, one of the eyes can be salvaged.
Really? Oh God. Thank you, doctor. Thank you.
You don't have to thank me. You should act fast before it gets late.
What do we have to do?
How do you mean?
Well, a complex surgery has to be conducted on that particular eye within 36 hours, or she could go blind completely. I have contacted the only hospital that has such facilities to take care of such cases, and they are ready to receive her, but with a caveat.
What's that?
Caveat? Doctor, what caveat, please?
Well, they will want to have a deposit of 1.5 million naira from you before they can accept to offer her such facility.
is too much to bear. Help us, Lord. Can't you see the pain we are feeling? God, where are you? God, where are you? Can't you see the way we are suffering, Lord? Where are you? God, where are you? You said you'll never abandon us, Lord. Where are you? God, where are you? No one can help us, God, only you. God, where are you? Can't you see the pain we are feeling, God? Where are you? God, where are you? Can't you see the way we are suffering, Lord? Where are you?
Please, calm down. It's not the end of the world. What happened is no less a shock to me. Indeed, it is a big tragedy. Your father was my most trusted friend. His friendship I will treasure for the rest of my life. He never gave me any reason to regret appointing him as a member of the Igwe in Council 12 years ago. Inu, my friend. My friend! What evil soul did this to you and your angel of life?
The pain is too much to help us, Lord. Can't you see the pain we are feeling, God? Where are you?
It's alright, my dear.
God, where are you? Can't you see the way we are suffering, Lord? Where are you? God, where are you? You said you'll never abandon us, Lord. Where are you? God, where are you? No one can help us, God, only you. God, where are you? Tears and sorrow, we are crying every day. The pain is too much to bear. Help us, Lord. Can't you see the pain we are feeling, God? Where are you? God, where are you? Can't you see the way we are suffering, Lord?
$40,000. I guess that will be enough to take care of your mother's hospital expenses.
Thank you so much, Majesty. Thank you. Thank you, Your Highness. Thank you. Live long, Your Highness. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Can't you see the pain we are feeling?
Your father's life cannot be saved as well. I wouldn't have minded spending every money I have here and more to save his life.
Wait, Your Majesty, thank you so much for your kindness. Thank you.
No one can help us, God.
Are you sure that the people Dr. Sam recommended are competent enough to handle this kind of delicate operation?
I have no choice but to trust them, Your Highness. The peculiarities of this situation leaves me with no other option. Your Majesty.
No. See, if your mother needs to be taken abroad, I'm ready to take care of it all. See, you are more of family to me than just mere subjects.
Your Majesty, I know, I understand. But going by the doctor's expressed professional opinion, taking that option means that my mother will go completely blind before the necessary arrangements would have been concluded. And I wouldn't want that to happen to her. Not after what happened to my father. Your Highness.
I understand, my boy, I understand.
Thank you, Your Highness.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you very much. I'm so good.
Please give my warmest regards and condolences to your mother and your sister.
Do here.
Tears and sorrow, we are crying every day. The pain is too much to bear. Help us, Lord. Can't you see the pain we are feeling, God? Where are you? God, where are you? Can't you see the way we are suffering, Lord? Where are you? God, where are you? You said you'll never abandon us, Lord. Where are you? God, where are you? No one can help us, God. Only you. God, where are you? Tears and sorrow, we are
What is wrong with you?
every day.
Not now. I have to be at the hospital.
The pain
Oh,
is
God.
too much to bear. Help us, Lord. Can't you see the pain we are feeling, God? Where are you? God, where are you? Can't you see the way we are suffering, Lord? Where are you? God, where are you?
My car refused to start. And I'm supposed to be at the hospital right now. This guy is supposed to be in perfect condition.
Yeah, you know what? Why don't you call a mechanic to check it out?
I don't have that time. I have to be at the hospital now, so I'll just take a taxi, you know?
Arise, come with me. Let me give you a lift down to the hospital, okay? Before proceeding to the bank, because I have a transaction to make from Her Majesty.
I'm going to the bank first.
Really?
Yes.
Then hop in. Let's go. Come on.
Thank you very much.
Can't you see the way we are
That was totally perfect.
Lord? Where are you?
Why should you have all day? I'm supposed to be at the hospital.
You said you'll never abandon us, Lord. Where are you? God, where are you? No one can help us, God.
hopefully we'll get to talk.
Yeah, sure.
So that you can also link me to other businesses. You know, so that I'll be making small money like you guys now.
Is that what you're saying in a low tone?
Well,
chill, my bro.
I know you guys are doing well. It's just that
Got your back.
I know everything is step by step.
Shut up! One more word from you, I'll blow your fucking head off. Put your hands on your head. Lower your head. Fast!
What are you doing? Please.
Lower your head.
Please, Osmond. Please.
Last month, have you done it?
Yes, I have. The briefcase is now where you wanted it to be.
Good. And you are with the whole money?
Yes, it is.
Very good. Now hurry to the place we agreed. Your guy and I are waiting for you there. I have your visa to Brazil as His Majesty promised.
Sorry, Stanley. I have a change of plan.
Meaning what?
Meaning your...
His Majesty was a camper of one of the deadliest campus schools in his school days.
And you, Stanley, a train soldier on a wall.
That he hired to do his dirty business.
The chief royal guard thing was just a cover-up. Am I wrong?
I don't know what you're talking about, Osmond.
Do you really think that after being blackmailed 3 times by men like His Majesty,
that a hard man like me will allow things to continue that way?
No, my guy. It's not possible. See,
I did my investigations in the last few days and I found out
things about you and His Majesty that convinced me that
if I dare show my face there as you want, this episode will not end up with a Brazilian visa and some dollars in my hands.
And that of my guy, but over a dead body. Listen, I don't know why
His Majesty blackmailed us into doing what we did for him.
To his best friend's family.
And I can't take the risk of waiting to find out. You see,
for my safety, I'm going away for good. I'm going far away from Ihube, never to return again till I die.
Thank you for ruining my life, and thank His Majesty too.
And I hope you guys will be brave enough to look my father in his face.
And tell him what you did to his only son. I hope you will.
Shit! This is not happening. This is not happening! How did this guy know about my past? How?
What is it? What did Osman say?
Arinze's phone be off now 4 times. Not now, people know. Not now.
Where is your brother? I've not seen him, like you said, after 2 hours left.
He's coming.
The eye hospital they just called, they've not seen any alert.
They will get it. They will get it in a short while, doctor. The last time I spoke with my brother on the phone, he told me that he was just leaving the Igwe's palace with the $4,000 he gave him for that purpose. And so he will make the exchange at the bank and then make the payment in the same bank. They will get the alert very soon, I promise you.
That's okay. Her vital signs are getting stronger. She may regain her consciousness before the day runs out.
What about her sight?
Any form of stress on her may worsen the case of the one redeemable eye. My opinion, the only way to stop her not to be subjected to any form of emotional or physical stress is to wake up and see herself going where her sight will be regained, at least. And it all lies on you people on how fast you get the money. Excuse me.
God, where are you? Can't you see the way we're suffering, Lord? Where are you? God,
I swear it was Osman. He drew a gun at me. And before I could say a word, he snuck me out with a chemical. When I woke up, the money you gave me was gone, Your Majesty. I couldn't find him.
Yes, officers. Your Majesty, thank you for coming in at so short a space of time.
Your Majesty,
you go with the officers to the station and explain to them everything you've been trying to tell me here. Perhaps they will understand you.
Your Majesty, are you getting me arrested? It was Osman.
Officers, take him out, right? I do not want to see any stone left unturned in this investigation. Please.
Your Majesty, we are going to do a thorough job. That I can promise you. Your Majesty, Your Highness, how are you doing?
Help us, Lord. Can't you see the pain we are feeling? God, where are you? God, where are you?
Found this in the house. Yes, sir.
Can't you see the way we are suffering?
Come on, get inside the car, let's go. I'm being set up. Can't you see? I forgot inside the car. Is this set up? Move out of it.
You said you'll never abandon us, Lord. Where are you? God, where are you?
Please calm down, Your Majesty. Did you say calm down? Did I hear you say calm down? My $696,000 is gone. The guy I wanted is gone. God knows where. And all you can tell me is calm down. Come on, Stanley. What's wrong with you? Have you become a soft buffoon or what?
I'm so sorry, Your Majesty.
No buts. That boy is a criminal. A criminal with $696,000 to his kitty and knowledge of a plot that
could make me face the firing squad is the least thing I wanted when I started this whole affair. I didn't want surprises. Least of all, this kind of dangerous surprise. Alright, so you came back only to report a failure. You couldn't kill him with his useless friends so that we could use his corpse and finish Arinze through the law. Now this story you came back with.
Your Majesty, I've already mobilized one of my best men to track him and kill him. And I am giving you my word that it will be done within days and not weeks.
Assuming I believe you, how do we handle this new twist it has thrown in Arinze's side? How do we push our narrative that he murdered Osmond in order to steal my dollars? And you know that that's the only way we can be assured of getting a death sentence. And you know that the whole purpose of all of this sentence. Death sentence. No more, no less.
Your Majesty, I suggest we change the narrative to kidnapping and possibly killing Osmond. And by the new anti-kidnapping law of the state, kidnapping is now a capital offense too. And I have already formulated a plan B based on the narrative.
Without Osmond found or killed,
my man will find and kill him. I am very sure of that. So I suggest we discuss about the new plans, Your Majesty.
Where is my money?
Honestly, Your Majesty, I don't know. Osmond made away with even the $4,000 you gave me for my mother's medical bills. Your Majesty, he took everything.
You know, this briefcase. Inside this briefcase was my $696,000, which I gave Osmond to go and deposit for me at the bank. A few hours ago. But this same briefcase was found by policemen hidden under your bed, inside your locked room. It was empty. Your room was not broken into, and according to you, only you has the key to unlock it. The key was on you at the time of your arrest.
So, how come this briefcase was found in there if you were not the person that took it there?
I don't know, Your Majesty. Find Osman and he will tell you everything. He knows what happened, Your Majesty.
Have I wronged you or any member of your family? Look at me. Osman's father. Has he done anything wrong to you or any member of your family? You told us not long ago that you had nothing against Osman. What is it? Areze, did I not give you employment in my company? With salary and an official car just a few days ago. Did I not give you $4,000 cash for your injured mother? Areze, why didn't you tell us that you needed more money?
God, what will I say to convince you that I'm innocent? Say nothing, Areze. Osman is my son. I want to see him, even if he is dead already. Let me just see his corpse. Yeah. I don't need to be convinced of your innocence. I want to see my son. Where is he? Honestly speaking, no. I don't know where Osman is. As we speak right now, my mother is still waiting for me at the hospital to come back with the $4,000 His Majesty gave me for her operation to at least restore her sight in one of her eyes. And she has limited time for that. Else she will go permanently blind. My own mother, permanently blind. After what happened to my father today. I mean, oh no, even if I wanted to steal His Majesty's money, will I do it in a way that would jeopardize my mother's health?
Areze, for the sake of this royal scepter of our forefathers, tell us where Osman is. Listen, if you want the money, all of it, take all of it. Take the entire money. See, I will swear to you here and now that as soon as you do it, I will ask the police to leave you, to let you go. See, all we are after now is, where is Osman?
Did you hear that, Areze? Osman is my only son. I don't have another. I am old. The last time I achieved erection was 6 long years ago, if you must know. That means I cannot have children again. Please, save my family from imminent extinction. I beg you, in the name of God. No, honestly speaking, I don't know. I have told you the truth and nothing but the truth. Your Majesty, I'm sorry.
No, you're not.
We are crying every day. The pain is too much to bear. Help us, Lord. Can't you see the pain we are feeling?
Officer,
where are
talk to this boy. Torture him until he confesses. Do everything you can. Use everything at your disposal. Break him and let him say the truth. If he passes out, revive him and continue relentlessly, continue on a daily basis. Keep torturing him. Look, if this boy dies, he dies in the process.
The pain is too much to bear. Help us, Lord. Can't you see the pain we are feeling? God, where are you? God, where are you?
We'll be fine, okay? Harry's also be back. No.
God, where are you? You said you never abandon us, Lord. Where are you? God, where are
Hello? Yes. Yes, it's me. I am Choma Inuwa. Who are you, please? Sergeant Uzuku from Ilube Police Station. How can I be of help? How can I help you? That's not possible. What did my brother do to warrant arrest? Can I please talk to him? Can I speak to him? Let me at... Okay, I will be on my way to that place now.
Where are you? God, where are you? Can't you see the way we are suffering, Lord? Where are you? God, where are you? You said you never abandon us, Lord.
Jesus Christ.
God, where are you?
Look at what they did to me.
No one can help us, God. Only you. God, where are you? Can't you see the pain we are feeling, God? Where are you? God, where are you?
What is this? Who did this to you?
The police. On the orders of His Majesty.
I don't get it. His Majesty. The same one you told me not up to 2 hours ago gave you $4,000 for Mama. Ordered them to do this to you? How? I mean, why?
I don't know. I don't know. His Majesty gave the orders right here in this room. I don't know who supported. Choma, I'm in trouble. These people will kill me here and nothing will happen. His Majesty promised that he will use his connection to protect them. If I die here, they don't believe me. They think I did it.
Did what?
That I stole His Majesty's $696,000. I kidnapped and murdered Osmond. You know, son.
What?
I didn't do it, Choma. He attacked me. and dropped me in his car. And he took the money. And he also took the $4,000 His Majesty gave to me. He did it.
God. God. What kind of thing is this? Why is this happening? Why? Why especially now?
How was Mama's condition when you left? Please don't tell me she's getting worse.
She was fine. The doctor says she will regain consciousness in a couple of hours. He also said, Dr. Sam called me. Hello, doctor. Thank God. Yes, I'll be coming. I'll be on my way now. Thank you.
What did he say?
Mama has regained consciousness.
Oh God. Thank you, God. Thank you. What else is he? What else did he say about her condition?
Nothing. You go and see her.
Go. It's okay. What is it?
What if she asks me of you?
You said you'll never abandon us, Lord. Where are you? God, where are you? No one can help us, God.
Mama?
Only
Mama?
God.
Mama, it's me. I'm here. Yes, Mama.
Where is your father?
He's coming.
Chama.
Yes.
Chama, you're lying. You're lying, aren't you?
Mama, the doctor says your sight will be restored. Papa and Arinze are rallying round trying to get the fund needed for it. How are you feeling now?
I feel horrible.
I understand. You will soon be fine, okay?
Chama, what about the boy that did this to me? Has he been arrested?
No. Not yet. The police are still hunting for him. I believe soon he will be apprehended and punished for his wickedness.
Why? Why beautiful people, Chama? What have I done to the devil that did this to me? What?
Mama, it's okay. Only God knows why what happened today happened. It's not for any human being to know. He alone knows. And it's fine because He alone can bring us justice.
Yes, you're right. God knows why. Him alone knows why. Chama, call your father. I want to talk to him.
Mama, let's not disturb Papa. He's actually busy at the moment.
said you should call your father. I want to talk to my husband, your father. At least to tell him that I'm awake. How is that a disturbance?
Papa, I have only
what? Shama. Shama. I know I cannot see your face, but I can hear it from your voice. I can also feel it. You are lying, aren't you?
I'm not lying.
Then call your father. I want to talk to him. I want to also talk to Arinze. Dial their number. Give me the phone. Do it now, Shona.
I can't. I can't.
Why?
Listen, pierced your eyes.
No! 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 Don't tell me. Don't tell me you also killed Arinze.
No, not so, Mama. Arinze is alive. He was arrested a few hours ago. For robbery, kidnapping, suspected murder. I don't even understand this, Mama. Arinze is currently in police custody. I don't know how we can be moving home. One trouble to the other.
No.
I am trying to see. I don't even know what to do. Say, I don't know what to do. Mama! Mama! Tonto! Mama! Tonto!
Yes, I have stabilized her. So, where is your brother? He promised to be here with the money. Where is he? What?
He will not be coming. He was framed up and arrested on his way to this place for various crimes.
You told your mother this? No wonder. Well, she suffered a serious heart attack and that has affected her damaged sight. Sorry, your mother is now having fun.
I'm so confused. Arinze, what should I do? Tell me what to do, please.
Did the doctor tell you anything about Mama's survival chances?
wasn't specific on that. And he didn't sound quite hopeful too.
As I said earlier, you can see for yourself. They subjected me to another round of torture. When you left earlier, they are threatening to continue.
Why? Why are they doing this? What do they really want?
That I take responsibility for what I did not do. How can I do that, Chama? How can I? Please. Something needs to be done, or they will kill me here. With the rate they are going. Please help your brother. Help me.
Help you? How? How do I help you?
If His Majesty, as much as utter a word to them to stop, they will. This torture is happening on His express orders. Go to Him. Plead with Him on my behalf. Chama, you know me. You know that I can't even contemplate what they accuse me of. I'm innocent. Please go to His Majesty and convince him as much. Please.
I will. But what if you refuse to listen to me? What do I do then?
There is only one person His Majesty can never say no to. The second richest man in this kingdom after him. Ichiozala. He, Papa, and His Majesty were the best of friends that anyone can think of in the entire kingdom. According to their friendship, they started way back together when they were in primary school. Ichiozala is more of a hardliner on issues, but I believe he will listen to you, at least for Papa's sake. If you convince him, you have convinced His Majesty. Speak to his conscience. Cry to him. Beg him. Just make sure you convince him. Please, Chama. Please. Help me.
Again, I tell you, young lady, you're wasting your time here. Instead of coming in here to play this clownish game, hoping to get me to order the release of your evil brother, return. Go and ask him to confess to his evil crimes and set everybody here free. Let him say where Osmond is, where he kept him. already told him to keep the money. Let him keep the entire $696,000 of mine. Let him release Osmond. Walk away, a free man. Now, isn't that lenient enough? Isn't that?
Your Majesty, that would have been the case if my brother is guilty as charged. But he is innocent. My brother is only a victim of a crime.
Hey! Now, you are cruelty personified. Yes, that's what you are. You are dead! Throw this animal out of my house. If you ever come round here, if I ever see you around this palace, now you break every ounce of this bone, this useless bone. Now throw her out.
Please, my brother is innocent. Wait, let me beg His Majesty. Your Majesty, please. My brother is innocent.
The pain is too much.
Open it. Just open it.
God, where are
you? 2 million naira.
You mean sex?
Of course, yes. Yes.
Ichioza, your third daughter is my age mate.
Oh, come on. The man whose money that your brother was alleged to have stolen is not just my king. He's more of a brother to me.